Hello, my name is Craig Toker of the Toker Property Group, and I'm here to introduce you the Hudson, an historic landmark building built in 1914 for the Hudson's Bay Company. Unit 429 is a 2-bed, 2-bath, south-facing, loft-style condo. The Hudson covers half of a city block bound by Douglas, Herald, and Fisgard Street. The ground floor of the Hudson has Victoria Public Market, which has eateries like the Pizza, Victoria Pie, Mediterranean, and Indian cuisine. You are within walking distance of Victoria's historic Chinatown, Market Square, and 2 movie theaters. So, as you can see, the Hudson has a lot more to offer than what meets the eye on a drive-by. I would highly recommend you reach out to your realtor today to book your own private showing. If not, please check out our second video that has a lot more detail. Thank you. We'll see you soon.